Good day, friends. I've got another programming extension from Logo. Let me show you how easy it is to get to and what you can do with it once you get it. So if you're in my classroom, double click on MT Tools. When this screen pops up, make sure you choose Shortcut to ModTech, 01 Logo, and then move down to Lesson 18. In Lesson 18, today I'm going to teach you a game called Ludo. When you launch Ludo, you get a cryptic little game with a game board over here that lets you exit and then, most importantly, roll. The way this game works is you've got all these pieces and you've got 4 players. If you don't have 4 people to play with, you can play it with 2 players. Have one person be yellow and green and the other person be red and blue. If either of your colors gets all of your pieces moved, then you get to win. When you hit roll, you only get to move if you get a 6. I got a 6, so then I can click and it moves the part. You get to roll again when that happens. Note it's giving you the information here. This time I get to move 2 pieces, so I click on my piece and it moves 2 pieces. Now it's yellow's turn to roll. This would be my opponent. They do not get to move, so roll again trying to get a 6. Still don't get to move. Still don't get to move. So they got 3 rolls for the first yellow move. Let's go to blue. Nope. 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 So you don't get to move. Now it's the green person playing. When you hit roll, 5 doesn't work. 5 doesn't work. 5 doesn't work. So if you're playing this with a friend, you know, there's a lot of times where you click and nothing happens. But once you get it moving, then it's a little more fun. So that person does get to move 2. This person finally gets to bring a piece out. If you land on the other person's piece, you take them back. And then you just go all the way around the board. The game does take quite a while, but it is a good challenge, and it's kind of funny when you finally get to stomp somebody else and send them back. So friends, this is just another FMS Logo game that was created. One really cool thing about this code is you can hit et al, and you can actually look at the code and see how it was all created. So if you had a dream of making something like this, there you can check it out, how it was made. Alrighty friends, so when you're done, you can simply hit exit and quit. If you enjoyed this game or this movie, please hit that like button. Have a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Mash that subscription button. And last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.